Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hive. Today we are going to be tackling the kitchen refrigerator. Now you saw me do the cabinets, clean, purge, and organize. We're going to be doing the same thing for our refrigerator. Here at the best place ever. Come on. They used to have so many containers right here. However, I think they're out. Let's look over here. This is what I wanted for the kitchen. I was so savvy that I thought I lost it. So now that we're back home, once again, we are just going to sort through everything and figure out what we're going to use for what purpose. I just want to give you guys a peek at some of the prices I paid. Again, reasonably priced at HomeGoods and Ross. What I'm going to do right now is wash everything and get it ready to be placed inside the refrigerator. Alright, so now that I've cleaned all of the containers, I'm going to start removing all of the items from the refrigerator. I'm going to clean all the bins, and then we're going to start organizing our kitchen. Let's get started. So clearly this is probably one of my favorite features in all of my organization needs. I love storing my vegetables pre-chopped, pre-cut up so that it makes cooking for the week much easier. I'll have a video on that soon. Also, it keeps this area from being a mess. Here's another turntable. Again, easy, accessible, all the favorites, really quick to grab. Now that that's done, grab you a cold glass of mama juice and enjoy your hard work. Thank you for stopping by the Hive. See you around next time.